Good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Agriculture Vidya channel. My channel name is Agriculture Vidya. Up to now, I have released 10 videos. First 7 are related to soil and water conservation engineering, that is AENG 151 course. Last 3 are related to 141 course, that is Principles of Agricultural Economics course. Fourth video is also related to Agricultural Economics course, that is 141 course. Today I will discuss about these topics. We will see what is the value. Value is nothing but the purchasing power of a commodity. Purchasing power of a commodity in terms of other goods and services. Purchasing power of a commodity in terms of other goods and services. Value means nothing but the value in exchange. Economic goods are having the value in exchange. Value does not include the free goods. Free goods are having the only value in use only. Free goods are having the only value in use. What are the characteristics of the value? What are the characteristics of the value? That means it must possess utility. Utility means a bond satisfying capacity of a good. That means value is having the capacity to satisfy human want. Scarce, limited. It must be transferable and marketable. Value is having the utility, scarce, that is limited, transferable and marketable. Next slide. Price. Suppose value is expressed in monetary terms, that is called price. In olden days, value and price both are same. They are used as synonyms because goods are exchanged for another goods. That system is known as barter system. If goods are exchanged for another goods, that is system is known as barter system. That means value and price are synonyms. Nowadays, value and price are different because goods are exchanged for money. So, suppose value is expressed in monetary term, that is price. Now we will see what is wealth. Wealth consists of all potentially exchangeable means of satisfying human wants. It consists of all potentially exchangeable means of satisfying human wants. Definition is given by James Keynes. He is known as father of modern economics. James Keynes is known as father of modern economics. He defined growth also. James Keynes defined growth also. What is wealth? We will see. Wealth means it is an idea of prosperity and abundance. Wealth, an idea of prosperity and abundance. Wealth, wealth, suppose a person is a rich person, he is having the more wealth. Suppose a person is a poor person, he is having the less wealth. In economics, wealth is related to synonym to economic goods. Wealth is related to economic goods, that is in economics. Wealth means that means anything which is having the value, anything that is having the value, that is considered as a wealth. That is considered as a wealth. Next slide. What are the characteristics of wealth? What are the characteristics of wealth? Characteristics of the wealth is similar to characteristics of the value. That is, it possesses utility, it must be scarce, it must be transferable. Extra point is external to person only. Utility means want satisfying capacity of a good. That means all the economic goods are having the utility. Scarce means limited. Wealth is related to value in exchange, that is economic goods. Those are limited. Transferable. Transfer of the ownership from transfer of the ownership from one good to other. That means exchangeable. That means wealth is exchangeable. Economic goods are so exchangeable. External to person. That means we can see it, we can touch it and feel it. External means we can, that means that is nothing but the exchangeability. So wealth is having the exchangeability that is related to economic goods. Let we will see about relationship between money and wealth. Money is the part of the wealth. Money is the part of the wealth and it is a form of the wealth. So all money is wealth, but all wealth is not money. Money is a part of the wealth that is in the form of the wealth. So all money is wealth, but all wealth is not money. Let we will see relationship between income and wealth. Both are different. Income and wealth are different. Wealth which yields income. Wealth yields the income. Wealth yields the income. Let we will see about types of wealth. Individual wealth, social wealth, six types are there. Representative wealth, national wealth, cosmopolitan wealth, negative wealth. That we will see one by one. Individual wealth. It consists of all tangible and intangible position of the individual who are living in the country. All the people are individual who are in the living in the country. Suppose lands, bonds, deposits. Those are comes under tangible positions of the individuals, whereas copyrights and patents are comes under intangible positions of the individuals. Social wealth. It is collectively used by the people or individual who are living in the country or nation. It is collectively used by the all the people who are living in the country or in a nation. That is railways, public parks, government colleges, government schools, government hospitals, etc. Representative wealth. Wealth is in the form of title deeds. Representative wealth. Wealth is in the form of title deeds. Examples are checks, money checks, credit cards, etc. National wealth. It is an aggregate of, it is sum of all individual wealth and social wealth. In social wealth, debts are included, loans are included. In the case of the individual wealth also, loans are included. But in the case of national wealth, loans or debts are excluded of the people or of the nation. In the case of the individual wealth, loans are included. In the case of the social wealth, loans are included. But in the case of the national wealth, loans or debts are excluded or deducted. Rivers, mountains. Examples are rivers, mountains in our country, in a nation or in a country. Next slide. Cosmopolitan health. It is the wealth of the whole world. It is the wealth of the whole world. Some of the wealth of the all nations. Total the wealth of the all nations. Suppose rivers and mountains who beyond our nation crossed one nation. Who beyond one nation, one country. Negative wealth. Debts owed by the individuals and nation. Debts owed by the individuals and the nation. That comes under negative wealth. Let we will see what is the difference between wealth and welfare. Wealth. Wealth means to an end. It is means to an end. It is the end itself. It is an objective type. Wealth is an objective type. Welfare is an subjective type. Wealth includes harmful goods. Wealth does not include harmful goods. only harmless goods, useful goods are included in welfare. It does not include the free goods. Wealth is not include the free goods. Wealth is sorry, welfare is included both free and economic goods. So wealth is having only value in exchange, because in this free goods are not included. In this only economic goods are included. So it is having only value in exchange. It is having, welfare is having both value in use and value in exchange, because free and economic goods are included. Let I will summarize the points. Today I have explained about value, characteristics of the value, what is wealth, what are the characteristics of the wealth, types of the wealth, and what is the difference between wealth and welfare. Thank you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe me. Don't forget to comment also.